Got overripe bananas at home? Don't throw them away. Today we are turning them into the softest, richest chocolate banana cake, okay? This one is moist, chocolatey, and so easy to make, guys. Let's get into it. First, we are going to sift some flour. I'll go ahead and add some unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, some salt, and then we are going to sieve this together, okay? And I'm going to go in with my whisk and then mix everything together nicely until all the ingredients are properly mixed. In a separate bowl, I'm going to go in with 3 ripe bananas, okay? The riper they are, the sweeter and softer your cake will be. And this recipe is just perfect for those bananas nobody wants to eat anymore, okay? And the tip here is, if your bananas are hard or not ripe to what we want, you can just bake them for a few minutes and you are good to go. So at this point, we are just going to mash everything until they are very smooth, okay? You can make them lumpy if you want to. Okay, we are done mashing. This is how I want it. So I'm going to go in with 2 eggs. If you have large eggs, just use 1 for this recipe. And then I'll go ahead and add some brown sugar. I'll continue and add some vanilla extract or essence. To that, I'll add some banana flavoring. This is totally optional, okay? And then I'll continue to add some strawberry flavoring as well. And then some oil, vegetable oil. I'm now going to whisk everything together until they are all the ingredients are well combined. Now this is just perfect, okay? So at this point, we are just going to go in with sifted dry ingredients from earlier. Now with my whisk, I'm going to just mix everything together gently, okay? You can as well use your spatula to fold it in. And the point you are trying to make here is not to overmix our batter. So I'll just do this gently until everything is well combined. At this point, I'm just going in with my spatula to ensure that there are no streaks of the dry ingredients at the bottom of our bowl. And then we are going ahead to pour this in our prepared greased pan. Here I already have my pan prepared, so I'll just go ahead and pour in our batter. I'll just go ahead and do this to remove any large trapped air bubbles in our mixture, okay? And then the fun part, I'll just sprinkle some chocolate chips on it. You can as well use dark chocolate for this and it will just be perfect, okay? So I'm just going to do this and then we'll bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for about 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. So this is after 60 minutes and our cake is looking all good. So I'll just transfer this onto a wire rack to cool completely. So this is about 40 minutes of cooling, and guys, this is what we have. Look how soft and moist this is, guys. Indeed, chocolate and banana are meant to be together. This is so delicious, guys. You need to try this out. If you have overripe bananas at home, this recipe is a must try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next delicious video. Bye bye.